harmonica instructor in the world and one of the great players in the West Coast harmonica style, accompanied by the live wires. Please put your hands together for Mr. David Barrett.
It's so great to be back here. Thank you, Steve Baker, and all of those involved in the Harmonica Masters Workshop in the town of Trossingen. I brought my family with me. Let's see, my beautiful wife over here. Go ahead and stand up, please. My wife Sharon. My mother Linda. My stepson Landon. And our youngest stepson Rylan. You can just go right there and wave. So tonight I have all new music for you, and I was writing a song in tribute to my wife, or not in tribute, just a song for my wife. And I was thinking it would be pretty cool to do a whole set of songs that are based on the personalities of my family members. So tonight we're going to perform the Family Suite for the first time. And we're going to start with the youngest, Rylan. Now Rylan, he's got the most energy. You probably saw him at the workshop, helping out with the tea and the coffee, maybe taking a little bit for himself in between. So he's the one with a lot of energy, and he plays well with others. And of course, like all kids, at a certain point, they just start to conk out until their eyes do this, and then they're out. So this song is for Rylan.